Same.dev AI is a groundbreaking software that just hit the market, and if you're curious about whether it's right for you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Same.dev that could revolutionize how you manage your digital workflows. Stay tuned because I'll be revealing some game-changing features, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let me tell you upfront, you can try Same.dev for completely free. Just click the link in the description below. That's right, no commitment, no risk. But before you jump in, let's dive into what makes this tool stand out from other AI software. You'll want to know exactly how it works before you commit. So, what sets Same.dev apart? Well, for starters, it's designed with flexibility in mind. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a marketer, or even part of a larger team, Same.dev offers tools that streamline workflows across different business sectors. If you've ever felt that other tools are too rigid or don't cater to your unique needs, Same.dev's customizability could be your answer. One of the most exciting features is its powerful automation capabilities. Unlike other AI tools that require a steep learning curve or constant tweaking, Same.dev integrates seamlessly with your existing processes and automates them effectively. This means less time spent managing tasks and more time for strategy and execution. The AI adapts quickly, learning from your preferences and refining the automation as you go. That's a huge plus for anyone looking to boost productivity without adding complexity. Another highlight of Same.dev is its user interface. It's sleek, intuitive, and built with simplicity in mind. Even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you won't struggle to find your way around. The dashboard is clean and the layout is optimized for ease of use. For someone new to the software, this is a breath of fresh air. No confusing menus or overwhelming options. You'll get to work right away without feeling lost. Now, what really impressed me is the integration capabilities with other platforms. Same.dev connects smoothly with a wide range of tools you're likely already using, whether it's email marketing platforms, project management software, or even CRMs. This means you can maintain your current workflows and simply enhance them with Same.dev's AI-powered features. It's not about replacing the tools you love, it's about making them more efficient. Then there's the cost. If you're new to AI tools, you're probably concerned about the price. Well, Same.dev is highly affordable compared to similar software on the market, especially considering the range of features you're getting. And with the free trial, you can test it out before making any decisions. It's a risk-free opportunity to see if Same.dev fits into your digital toolkit. Now, let's talk about its scalability. One of the things that impressed me the most is how Same.dev adapts as your business grows. Whether you're just starting out or have an established business, the software scales with you. It's easy to upgrade to premium features when needed, and it won't bog you down with unnecessary bloatware. Finally, Same.dev has fantastic customer support. If you run into any issues, their team is quick to respond and very knowledgeable. You won't be left hanging or stuck on a problem for days. That level of service is something I really appreciate in any tool I use, especially when trying out new software. So there you have it, 7 things you need to know about Same.dev AI. This software is designed to make your digital processes more efficient, flexible, and easy to use. I highly recommend giving it a try, especially since you can test it for free from the link below. If you're curious about what else is out there, I've also included my top AI software recommendations in the description. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust and use. Check them out.